5 myths versus facts about vitamins and supplements.
Are the claims you hear about vitamins and supplements really true? Marketers love to promise amazing benefits, but which ones actually hold up under scrutiny? In this list, we'll uncover 5 of the biggest myths about vitamins and supplements and reveal the real facts based on solid evidence.
Myth 1. More vitamins mean better health.
Taking extra vitamins will always make you healthier. In fact, some vitamins like A, D, E, and K can build up in your body and cause harm if you take too much. The fact is, a balanced diet usually provides all the vitamins your body needs. Taking large doses of supplements isn't a shortcut to health and can sometimes do more harm than good.
Myth 2. Supplements prevent colds and the flu.
Many believe that taking vitamin C or zinc will prevent colds and flu. The reality is, research shows these supplements might only slightly shorten cold duration, if at all. They don't actually prevent you from getting sick. Washing your hands regularly and maintaining a healthy lifestyle are much more effective at supporting your immune system.
Myth 3. Natural means safe.
It's common to think that because a supplement is labeled natural, it's totally safe. But that's not always true. Natural supplements can still have side effects, interact with medications, or even be harmful in high amounts. Just because an ingredient comes from nature doesn't guarantee it's completely harmless.
Myth 4. Supplements can replace a healthy diet.
Some people turn to supplements as a substitute for healthy eating. However, no pill can offer all the nutrients, fiber, and benefits of whole foods. Eating a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins remains the best way to get essential nutrients your body needs to thrive.
Myth 5. All supplements are rigorously tested and regulated.
Many believe that supplements are strictly regulated for safety and effectiveness. In reality, supplements aren't subject to the same rigorous standards as prescription medications in many countries. It's important to buy from reputable brands and consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine.
Conclusion. Separating fact from fiction.
Vitamins and supplements have their place, but it's important to know the facts and not fall for marketing myths. A well-balanced diet, healthy lifestyle, and professional guidance are the best ways to support your health. Always ask questions and seek reliable information before starting any supplement.